Do you know your top 5 strengths? Better yet, do you know what each of your top strengths even mean? Here's the good news. You can use AI to help you develop your top strengths, and I'm going to show you how. Come here. First, head on over to app.schoolpsych.ai. Then, create an account. Next, all you have to do is put in your top 5 strengths. Here's a sample prompt that you can use. You just have to tailor it with your strengths. Pause and read. Here's what it says. I took the Clifton Strength Finders and can name my top 5 strengths. Give me clear descriptions of what each of these strengths mean. And here I put in my top 5 strengths: maximizer, ideation, futuristic, focus, achiever. You hit enter, submit it, and let's see what we get. Okay, here's the response that we got back from Sophia. Here are clear descriptions of each of your top 5 strengths. Maximizer. People with the maximizer strength are focused on taking something that's already good and making it great. They have a keen eye for quality and strive for excellence in everything they do. They're adept at recognizing and cultivating the strengths of individuals and organizations. For ideation, here's what it says. Individuals with the ideation strength are fascinated by ideas and are able to think outside the box. They're creative and enjoy generating new and innovative solutions to problems. They often see connections between seemingly unrelated concepts. Pause and read if you want to read through all of them. Next, here's what we're going to do. Now we want Sophia to take it to the next level. I put in a prompt. Now develop a 5-day action plan where I can study my top 5 strengths and then help me set a goal for each day. We're going to hit enter and let's see what it does. All right, here's the 5-day action plan to study and develop your top 5 strengths. Day 1 for maximizer. The goal, identify areas of excellence. The action plan, spend time reflecting on your past achievements and successes. Consider how you've turned good experiences into great ones. Write down specific instances where you've maximized your strengths and the positive outcomes that resulted from your efforts. You can pause and read the rest of them. Now let's do this. Here's a prompt I came up with. Professionally, I'm a school psychologist. How can I use my strength of being a maximizer in my role as a psychologist? Give me 3 examples. And let's see what it comes up with. It says, as a school psychologist, your strength as a maximizer can significantly impact your professional role. Here's 3 examples you can leverage this strength. And it says individualized intervention plans, program eval, and improvement, professional development, and training. Under the individualized intervention plans, utilize your maximizer strength to tailor individualized intervention plans for students. Identify their unique strengths and areas for growth, and then maximize their potential by developing targeted strategies to enhance their academic, social, and emotional well-being. By focusing on refining and amplifying their existing strengths, you can help students achieve greater success. That's all right. That's not bad. I do want to read the professional development and training one. It says, utilize your maximizer strength to facilitate professional development and training sessions for educators and staff. Identify their existing strengths and areas for growth, and then design targeted training programs to maximize their potential. By focusing on enhancing their strengths and skills, you can contribute to a more effective and supportive school environment. What's great about that one, that is actually one of my favorite aspects of the work that I do. I love doing professional developments and trainings and facilitating conversations, and I get to use my strengths every single day. Use this, give it a try. First, take an assessment, find out what your top strengths are. Head on over to app.schoolpsych.ai and use these prompts. And if you use it, tag us on social media. Let us know what it comes up with. That way you can develop your strengths and we can change the world.